Hi everyone. Okay, so I knew this day was coming that I was going to get some free copies of my book as the author, surely I'm allowed, from Kogan Page Publishing, and the box that came was quite big and quite heavy. I guessed it was the books. I've opened it, I couldn't help myself. So while this isn't a traditional unboxing video, it is more of an unwrapping video. So come with me while we see the books for the first time. So this is really exciting. This is the box. Obviously, I've opened it, but it's covered in bubble wrap. Oh, just by the way, it's my husband Paul who's operating the camera. Hi, Paul.
Hello.
And if oh my god, I can see. And if anybody's written a book, they know that their partners or whoever they're living with is probably as much involved in the writing process as the author. So this is actually really nice for the both of us right now. Oh my god, I can see the colour. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, matte finish. I did ask for a matte finish, so I'm glad that it is. So that's really nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look, 6 copies. This is good. Unfortunately, all of these are allocated. So, you know, a mum here, a friend there, and a couple for competitions. And oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, look at that. And the people that provided the endorsements, thank you so much again. Oh, it's got an ISBN number. Of course it does. I don't know why I'm surprised. Oh, it's so mad. It's like wider than I thought it would be. I don't know why. I thought it would be a bit smaller, but not that that's a bad thing. Oh my god, this is so weird. What's even more weird is that it's something that I can actually touch, because for so long, for a year and a half, 2 years actually, you know, by the time it went to print and things like that, I've never actually seen it as a tangible physical thing. It's always been on my laptop. So this is just like really nice to just kind of see it like this. Okay, so for you guys who are going to buy it, this is what you can expect. This lovely book. And while I go away and thoroughly enjoy these, and you know, send them off to some people that I've promised a copy to. In the meantime, you can buy these books, as many as you want. Get a few for your office, and they're available on loads of different outlets now, which is really great. But if you go to the companion website for the book, gamesandgamification.com, you'll see all the different outlets there. You can find out more about the book. So yeah, hopefully you'll get a copy and ogle as much over it and really enjoy it and get something useful out of it, as much as I've enjoyed writing it and looking at it. So thanks very much for joining me in this unwrapping video.